Hi everyone, Adrian here. Have you ever been into a situation when you had to share your desktop through Teams or Zoom and it was full of icons that you didn't want to share with everyone? Today I'm going to present you a solution to clean your desktop in just a few clicks. The first method will be to create a new folder on your desktop by right-clicking any empty area, then going to New, Folder, and I will drag and drop all the files or shortcuts that I need to hide. This works, but you cannot do this every time when you share your screen. For example, I will put them back. By the way, if you want to regroup them, you have to do that manually. What will be the solution here? The second solution, the fastest way, is to right-click any empty area on your desktop, then go into View and uncheck the Show Desktop Icons option. You will observe that all icons are no longer visible, no matter if they are shortcuts or files. To undo this, you simply repeat the same steps. Right-click any empty area on your desktop, go to View, and recheck the Show Desktop Icons option. It's that simple. I believe this is the most overlooked feature in Windows. If you feel that you're getting value from this video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.